Best Performance Cars for 2024, 2023 Audi S7. Best Performance Cars for 2024, a sneak peek. As 2024 approaches, car enthusiasts are eagerly anticipating the latest models in the performance car segment. This year's lineup promises to deliver a combination of cutting-edge technology, thrilling speed, and luxurious comfort. One of the most anticipated models is the 2023 Audi S7, a car that exemplifies the perfect blend of high performance and refined design. 2023 Audi S7, a closer look. The 2023 Audi S7 stands out in the performance car market, merging the power and agility of a sports car with the elegance and comfort of a luxury sedan. Under its sleek hood, the S7 features a 2.9-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine that produces an impressive 444 horsepower and 443 lb-ft of torque. This potent engine enables the S7 to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds, making it a formidable contender in its class. Audi's signature Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures the S7 offers exceptional traction and handling, even in challenging conditions. The adaptive air suspension further enhances the driving experience, providing a smooth and comfortable ride without compromising on dynamic performance. The S7's precise steering and agile chassis make it equally adept at tackling twisty back roads and cruising comfortably on the highway. Inside, the S7 boasts a luxurious and technologically advanced cabin. High-quality materials, such as Valcona leather and brushed aluminum trim, create an upscale atmosphere. The dual touchscreen MMI infotainment system, featuring a 10.1-inch upper screen and an 8.6-inch lower screen, provides intuitive control over navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Additional features like the Bang & Olufsen premium sound system, head-up display, and a suite of driver assistance systems ensure that the S7 offers a cutting-edge driving experience. Other notable performance cars for 2024. While the Audi S7 shines brightly, it is part of a broader field of exceptional performance cars debuting in 2024. Porsche 911 Turbo S, known for its extraordinary acceleration and precise handling, the 911 Turbo S remains a benchmark in the sports car world. BMW M5 Competition, this model continues to impress with its combination of luxury and power, boasting a 617 horsepower V8 engine. Mercedes-AMG GT 63S. With its 630 horsepower V8 and luxurious interior, the GT 63S offers both performance and comfort. Chevrolet Corvette Z06. Featuring a naturally aspirated V8 engine, the Z06 delivers an exhilarating driving experience reminiscent of classic American muscle cars. Conclusion. The 2024 performance car lineup is set to excite car enthusiasts with a variety of options that cater to different tastes and preferences. The 2023 Audi S7 stands out as a remarkable vehicle that offers a seamless blend of power, luxury, and advanced technology. Whether you prefer German engineering, American muscle, or the sophistication of a luxury sedan, the performance cars of 2024 are poised to deliver an unmatched driving experience.